When it comes to cooking, the right tools can make all the difference. This NutriChef 11-piece Blue Diamond Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set is the epitome of style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who loves preparing quick, easy meals, this cookware set promises to elevate your kitchen game. With its vibrant blue diamond ceramic exterior, ergonomic design, and versatile pieces, it's a combination of aesthetics and performance that caters to modern kitchens. What sets NutriChef apart is its commitment to providing cookware that's not just functional, but also safe and convenient. This set features non-toxic, non-stick coating for healthy cooking, cool-touch ergonomic handles for safety, and induction-ready design for versatility across various stovetops. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, boiling pasta, or searing meat, this set ensures even heat distribution for consistent results every time. What's included in the set? The NutriChef 11-piece cookware set includes everything you need to create delicious meals with ease. 1.7-quart saucepan pot with lid, perfect for sauces and small portions. 3.6-quart Dutch oven pot with lid, ideal for soups, stews, and braised dishes. 2.1-quart cooking pot with lid, great for everyday cooking. 11-inch large fry pan, a go-to for frying and searing. 8-inch small fry pan, perfect for quick meals and single servings. Soup ladle, pasta fork, and spatula, handy utensils to complement your cooking needs. Standout features of the NutriChef cookware set. Number 1. Durable non-stick coating. The durable non-stick coating ensures easy food release, reducing the need for excess oil or butter. Cleaning is a breeze, and healthier cooking becomes effortless. Number 2. Blue diamond ceramic exterior. The striking blue diamond ceramic design enhances durability and improves heat transfer, giving your kitchen a modern touch while ensuring even cooking. Number 3. Cool touch silicone handles. Safety is paramount, and the cool touch ergonomic handles allow you to cook comfortably without the risk of burns. The heat-resistant design ensures a secure grip. Number 4. See-through tempered glass lids. Monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. The tempered glass lids come with vent holes, allowing steam to escape and preventing spills. Number 5. Induction-ready and versatile. Whether you're using gas, electric, ceramic, or induction stovetops, this cookware set has you covered. The reinforced aluminum construction ensures durability across all cooking methods. Cooking made safe and easy. With NutriChef, safety meets convenience. The non-toxic, PFOA-free coating ensures that your meals are healthy and chemical-free. The even heat distribution eliminates hot spots, so your food is perfectly cooked every time. From quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners, this cookware set supports every cooking style. Benefits of the NutriChef cookware set. Healthy cooking. Cook with less oil and enjoy healthier meals. Easy maintenance. Non-stick surfaces simplify cleanup, saving you time. Stylish design. The blue diamond pattern adds a modern flair to your kitchen. Versatile functionality. Suitable for various stovetops, including induction. Complete set. Everything you need for versatile cooking in one package. Who is this cookware set for? The NutriChef 11-piece cookware set is perfect for home cooks looking to upgrade their kitchen, families who need durable, easy-to-maintain cookware, beginners seeking an all-in-one solution for various cooking needs, health-conscious individuals aiming for non-toxic, non-stick cookware. Conclusion: the perfect blend of style and functionality. The NutriChef 11-piece Blue Diamond Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set is a versatile, durable, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its thoughtful design and premium features cater to both novice cooks and experienced chefs alike. From its vibrant ceramic exterior to its non-toxic, non-stick interior, every detail is designed to make your cooking journey enjoyable and hassle-free. Imagine effortlessly preparing meals that look as good as they taste, with cookware that simplifies your life. The NutriChef set doesn't just help you cook, it transforms your entire culinary experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this cookware set your new kitchen essential. Don't wait. Experience the NutriChef difference today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.